Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Lucky Line number A502C Interlocking Snaps. First of all, when you purchase one, you're purchasing a package of 5 that are carded. So let's pull one individual piece out. And this weighs about 3/4 pound, by the way, a pack of 5 does. That's what it looks like. This is from a product group called their Tough Links, and I'll show you where that catalog is in just a moment, where you can look at all of the other pins and hooks and turnbuckles and things of that nature. I don't know if they have turnbuckles, but we'll check. Clevis pins, you know, things of that type of nature. I don't know that much of this material is load rated. I know that some of the product is. So be mindful to check for that. If you are doing something that must be load rated, be sure to check the load rating of the item. They say that the overall length is 3 1/8 of an inch. 3 1/8. My tape measure tells me that's pretty accurate. Has a width of 1.5 inches. Okay, spot on. Has an eye diameter of 7/16. That's going to be down over here, and we can kind of gauge that, I suppose. Yeah, I'd say about 7/16 or so. And that also is going to be the open dimension, I believe. They don't give, oh, well, snap open, yeah, sure they do. So 7/16, that's going to be a bit harder to gauge here. I'm going to hold that open and do it right here. So we can check and see. If we can kind of determine that. A little tricky to do it on camera. Yeah, it's 7/16. Let's try that one more time. Oh. Hello. You can kind of gauge your 7/16. We're at about 3/8, well, maybe 7/16 to where that starts, and it goes over to about 13/16 or so. So right in that range. Zinc-plated steel is what they're saying. Certainly made of steel. Zinc-plated for corrosion resistance, certainly. This white here is just some sort of part of the packaging, I suppose. That just gets pulled off. Okay. And again, sold in, when you buy one, you're paying for a bag of 5. That's what we would ship you. Now let's switch to the screen view where we can take a look at that catalog. So this is the item that we are indeed here looking at. Okay. Image here, extended description information down here, talks about how they're sold, plating to prevent the metal from weathering and corrosion, where it's used. Like I said, you know, non-load rated material. I don't see a load rating on this. The dimensional properties are here. Zinc-plated steel is here. Not sure what the 350 refers to. Now, there's a link to the manufacturer's page here, and that will allow us to get to the I do not see a Tough Links. Oh, here it is. Sorry, I knew we had it. Tough Links catalog. So 502. We'll just do a search for 502, and we'll get to where we can find that. Okay. Products are sold individually in bulk, unless specified. C if you want them individually carded. L for individually labeled. That might be appropriate depending on your application. And here's our table of, oh, forgive me, workload. There you go, 350 pounds. We will get that extended description updated so that there's not confusion about that. Absolutely. Okay, so workload is literally there. Great, 350 pounds. Interlocking snaps, there's more options of this material. And not a incredibly long catalog, but they do go over all of the different types of related products, a variety of different snap type related products, different base materials, wire gate style. Forged spring, threaded style, welded rings. Definitely no turnbuckles, but I was thinking, double-ended, eye snaps is what I was is what I was thinking, and I said turnbuckles. Okay, so variations on this. There's no doubt about that. Okay, now this link to the manufacturer's page also will let you to review all of the Lucky Line products that we sell. Lucky Line is a name synonymous with key management hardware, key tags, key rings, things of that nature. And there's a 100+ page catalog here where you can review all of those items. And it's a catalog that's definitely worth reviewing because no other manufacturer has the sort of diversity of the product line that Lucky Line does when it comes to key management hardware. Okay? You get the idea. Ball chain key tags, you see these on luggage, on luggage in the airport all the time, etc. So lots of variation of this material. Let's wrap up this video on camera. Certainly a nice quality product from Lucky Line, their Tough Links material. We don't sell a whole lot of it, but we do certainly do with enough frequency. Not realizing it was load rated aside, I am reasonably familiar with the product line. And nice quality products. The name Lucky Line is quite synonymous with key management hardware, but then they have this line as well. If you have any questions on the Lucky Line A502C, Snap, or any other Lucky Line product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.